This is the seated tricep dip, a great exercise to help target that medial head of the tricep. Let's get started with the setup. You're going to put that seat at a height so whenever you're sitting on the edge of the seat, those hands are right below the bottom of the chest. You're also going to sit on the edge of the seat in a more upright position. This can allow you to use more of the tricep and less of the chest. The big thing to avoid is shrugging those shoulders as those hands are coming up. So before you get that first rep in, squeeze those shoulder blades together, lift that chest up, and bring those shoulders down. Take the weight up nice and slow, and the biggest tip on these to feel it more in the tricep is as you are going up, imagine like you're pushing those hands back behind your body, pushing the elbows back as well too, like you're trying to elbow someone behind you, and also pushing those elbows like you're trying to get them into your rib cage towards the center of your body. If an overhand grip hurts your wrist, or you have a machine where the handles look a lot different than this one, you could also use a neutral grip, or also called a hammer grip, with those palms facing towards the center of your body. Try not to spend too long at the bottom of the movement with those hands all the way down and those elbows locked out. Take the way up nice and slow, at least 3 seconds during that eccentric. Especially if your machine does not have a seatbelt to lock you in place like this one I'm doing here. Towards those last few reps, to help prevent form breakdown, make sure you're squeezing those abs super tight. You know what to do, like and follow please.